Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by confirming two prerequisites: Windows 10 updated and Bluetooth turned on. Plug your wired headphones into the 3.5mm jack or USB port now, because Windows needs the device present to route audio. Then open Settings, go to Devices, and choose Bluetooth and other devices to add the headset. Once you click Add Bluetooth or other device, pick Bluetooth and pair your wireless headphones. This starts dual device visibility, so Windows can show both output options in sound settings. Once paired, you need to configure playback. Right-click the speaker icon in the taskbar, choose Sounds, and open the Playback tab so you can see both wired and Bluetooth devices listed. Make your wired headphones the default device for general audio, then select the Bluetooth headset and set it as default communication device that partitions streams. If you want exact simultaneous output, enable stereo mix in recording devices and set it to listen to playback, or use an app that leverages WhatsApp for dual output. These steps let both devices play together. Finish by testing audio. Open Settings System, Sound, and verify the default device and default communication settings. Play media and adjust per app volume in Volume Mixer to balance outputs. This is why you set separate defaults. If audio cuts or latency appears, update Bluetooth and audio drivers, then repair the headset. If simultaneous output still fails, use a third-party virtual audio cable or a USB audio adapter to force dual outputs. Troubleshooting tip: restart audio services and check Bluetooth signal interference before changing hardware.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.